Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Drupal on your Windows local host. There are different ways to install and set up a development environment on your Windows machine. You can use the XAMPP server, WAMP server, or Bitnami WordPress or Bitnami Drupal installer. I prefer to use XAMPP for Windows. It is very simple and easy to use. You just need to download the installer and install it. After installing XAMPP server, start it, and you need to start Apache and MySQL services. Then type localhost and you should see this page. And don't forget to download Drupal. Now go to phpMyAdmin, and from the databases tab you need to create a database for Drupal installation. You can name it whatever you like, but I prefer to call it Drupal for local development. Now click the create button to create a database. After creating database, you need to go to your downloads folder. Here you can see Drupal. Now right click and I am going to extract files. Here you can see all the Drupal files. Now you can rename this folder to simply Drupal, and you can see all the core files. Now copy this folder, go to my computer and C drive, XAMPP and htdocs and paste it here. Now open your browser and type localhost/Drupal and you will see this screen. Select your language and click the save and continue button. And from the select and installation profile option, you have three options: standard, minimal and demo. Choose whatever you like and click save and continue. Here you can see an error, but you can ignore this for the time. Scroll down the page and click on this continue anyway link. And now you need to type your database name. We created this database earlier. It's called Drupal. For the database username, we need to type root, and password, database password, leave this blank. Click save and continue. And now Drupal is being installed. Now we need to configure our site. So we need to enter site name, email address and some other details. You can also select default country and time zone. This is a local site, so I am going to uncheck these options and now click save and continue. Our installation has been completed. Now you can see this message: congratulations, you installed Drupal. Now we are already logged in, but we can log out. And to log in again, we need to click on this link and we can enter our username and password. Click login, and now we are logged in, and we can go to content, structure and appearance and other options. So thank you very much for watching this video.